Hey everyone, welcome back to Study Beauty, and I'm so excited that you guys are here with me today. If you are bored out of your mind like I am, then get your makeup, have some fun, and try something new. I went ahead and used the new Jaclyn Hill palette that I have not played around with yet. This was my first look, and I decided to create something super bright and fun. Why not? And I popped some lashes, did my whole face, just to go wipe it off. But I hope you guys enjoy this, and keep on watching. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and put my bunny ears on. You guys know the drill. Get my hair out of my face. I'm going to look crazy with one eye done. Well, not completely done, but halfway. Put this on. I love these bunny ears because you can just get your hair out of the way and just place them however you want. Okay, so first things first, we're going to go ahead and apply some base. I'm using my P. Louise base in the shade number 2. This just gives you a really nice canvas on it. I will say if you've never used this before, I highly recommend it. So when using this base, you actually want to first outline your brow because this stuff is intense. Where you place it, it's where it stays. So kind of carve my brow out. And then I start blending it downwards, and then you want to start using patting motions. Let's get started with some color. I'm going in with the new Jaclyn Hill palette. Looks like this. It's by Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. Ignore my nails because they look like trash. This is what the palette looks like. This is my first look using it, and look how I already like banged it up. And I'm going to take this big fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with No Joke, which is yellow, like a straight yellow. Think of like sunflower yellow. And I'm just going to go into the crease and going pretty high up because this is going to be the color that's going to help the rest of the colors kind of blend together. Man, this quarantine has literally made me like the laziest person ever. I'm supposed to be like productive, and I'm like completely the opposite. Alright, so next up we're going to take this fluffy brush. This is by Jaclyn Hill and Morphe as well. It's the JH31, and I'm going to go in with an orange, which is going to be Feeling Myself. Take that, I'm loading up the brush like this, and then bounce. Alright, taking another fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with the color Dance Party, which is this really, let me show you guys, looks like that. It's like a really pretty red pink. And again, I'm going to go a little bit below that orange color, and I'm going to start in the outer corner to kind of intensify it first, and then I'm going to start going into the crease. Alright guys, now that it's nice and blended out, we're going to go in with this next color by P. Louise, and it's called Vivid Violet. Like this. Loading it up on both sides of the brush, not just the one part. You want to make it as thin as possible, and we're going to go ahead and cut the crease. A good trick is to always like blink, and it'll be even on both sides. That's why I'm never concerned about the lid if I'm doing a cut crease, because I can be as messy as I need to be, and I'm just like erasing everything. That's what it looks like now. We're going to go ahead and take this really flat brush. This is another Morphe brush, M167, and I'm going to go in with I'm In It, which is a really like pearly pink, like that. It's like an iridescent pearly pink purple, and I'm going to just put that on the center of the lid. A purple called A Moment on the other side of the brush. Go right on the edges of that first color. Go back in with the first color and just go over those. And it's okay if they overlap because that's going to help you blend them out. So just trust the process. I'm going to go in with something like this, and I'm just going to do the outer corners. Everybody needs a really good pencil brush. Now to connect everything together, I'm going to take a brush like this, and I'm going to go in with Dance Party, which is a really beautiful bright pink red Alright guys,
color.
You guys can tell I finished the rest of my face, but my eyes are still not done. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the lower lash line. This brush right here, this really small detailed brush by Morphe, it is the M326. And I'm going to go in with the orange first, being very generous. Then I'm going to take the purple, just the purple, and it's called Not My Journey, and get closer to the lash line. Fluffy brush, this brush right here, I'm going to go back in with that orange again, and just on the outer edges, I'm just going to blend that out. Like so. Alright you guys, now we're going to pop on some lashes. I'm going to be using my Set A Beauty. If you guys didn't know, I do have my own lash line. I have beauty sponges on there as well, so you can definitely check it out. I will leave the link down below. But I'm going to go in the style Frida. I'm going to go ahead and pop those on. Alright you guys, the lashes are on, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it's super bright. It's kind of fun just to try something new, especially since you're in quarantine. Perfect time to take out your makeup and try something new. I mean, it's not like you're going anywhere anyways. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye!